Welcome back to the Edulexis Python series. Yesterday, we learned basic functions. Today, we're breaking the limits of how many arguments a function can handle using *args and *kwargs. Imagine you're building a calculator. If you define a function for two numbers, but the user wants to add 5, your code crashes. Hard coding parameters isn't scalable. We need flexibility. Before we get to the stars of the show, let's talk default arguments. These allow your functions to have backup values if the caller forgets to provide one. It makes your code much more robust. Crucial rule: default arguments must follow non-default arguments. You can't have a default value followed by a mandatory one, or Python will throw a syntax error. Order matters. Now, meet *args. The asterisk is the magic part. It tells Python, take every extra positional argument and bundle them into a single tuple. It's short for arguments. Let's write a function that sums up any amount of numbers. Notice how I iterate through args just like a normal list or tuple. Whether I pass 3 numbers or 300, it works perfectly. Look at the console. When we print the type of args, Python confirms it's a tuple. This means the data is immutable and organized in the order you sent it. You don't actually have to name it args. You could call it *pizzas. But *args is the industry standard. The asterisk is the unpacking operator that does the heavy lifting. What if you want named data? Like a user profile? Enter *kwarg, short for keyword arguments. This captures arguments passed with a key and a value, like name equals and Alice. While *args creates a tuple, *kwargs creates a dictionary. This allows us to access data using keys, making it incredibly powerful for handling labeled data configurations. Let's build a profile builder. We can pass age, city, and job. Inside the function, we use .items to loop through the keys and values. It's dynamic and clean. Now, the ultimate power move, combining them. There is a specific hierarchy: standard arguments first, then *args, then *kwargs. This covers every possible input scenario. Think of it as a funnel. Specific variables catch the first items, *args catches the remaining loose items, and *kwargs catches all that labeled an items at the end. Pop quiz. If I pass for strings into an *args function, what data structure does Python use to store them? Leave your answer in the comments before we move to the practical lab. Let's apply this. We'll create a total_bill function. It takes a mandatory tax rate, then *args for item prices. This ensures the tax is always calculated regardless of the item count. See how we pass 0.05 for tax, then 10, 20, and 15. The function treats the first as tax and the rest as the prices tuple. Efficiency at its finest. Next, a db_connect function using *kwargs. We might need host, port, and user. Since different databases need different settings, *kwargs makes our function universal. Here is a pro tip. You can use * outside of functions too. If you have a list and want to print elements separated by spaces without a loop, just unpack it with a star. Mistake number 1, putting default arguments before mandatory ones. Python gets confused about which value belongs to which variable. Always put your defaults at the end of the positional list. Mistake number 2, wrong order of *args and *kwargs. If you put *kwargs before *args, Python will stop you. Remember the acronym SDK, standard, default, keyword args. In real-world dev, we use *args for logging. You might want to log a message plus 5 different variable states. *args allows you to pass as much context as you need. Keep this lesson in mind for day 30. When we learn decorators, *args and *kwargs are essential because decorators need to work with any function, regardless of its signature. Let's try to break it. What happens if we pass a dictionary into *args? It gets treated as a single tuple element. To pass it as keywords, we would need to use ** at the call site. This is unpacking at call. If you have a dictionary ready, you can explode it into a function using ***. This maps dictionary keys directly to function parameters. A quick note on performance: Python uses tuples for **args because they are more memory efficient than lists. Since the function shouldn't be changing your inputs, a tuple is the perfect choice. Recap time. Default arguments make parameters optional. They provide a fallback and help simplify function calls for the most common use cases. Recap: **args allows for an unlimited number of positional arguments stored as a tuple. Use it when you don't know how many items a user will provide. Recap: ***Kwargs allows for unlimited named arguments stored as a dictionary. Perfect for configuration settings and complex data objects. Your task: create a function build_car that takes a manufacturer and model, then uses ***Kwargs to accept optional features like color or sunroof. Post your code below. Mastering these three makes you a significantly better Python developer. Tomorrow, we tackle scope and lifetime. I'm your instructor from Edulexis. Keep coding, and I'll see you in day 26.
Thank you for watching. Like if you learned something, share with your circle, and subscribe for more.